What's up, everybody? My name is Jesse, and today is the day. Okay, so what does that mean, today is the day? Well, I've been wanting to do YouTube for lots of years, but I've never been able to do it because, honestly, I've always been afraid. I've made many excuses, from not having the right equipment to a bunch of other things, and just never gotten around to it because, honestly, I was always afraid. But what makes today different? Up until this point, I've felt like I wanted to do YouTube. I've watched lots of other YouTubers and all kinds of other videos, from entertainment to educational to motivational and a bunch of other stuff in between. And I've never totally known what I wanted to do. And now I'm starting to understand that I don't really need to do something. What I need to do is be me. The other thing is, I now feel like this is something I have to do. I no longer feel like this is something that I want to do. So in this world, there's a lot of crazy things going on right now, right? From the pandemic to a lot of social injustices and a lot of things we're seeing in the news. Now, I don't want to get political, and I don't want to make this channel about my opinions and try to force those down anybody's throat, because that's not what this is about. What this channel is going to be about is helping people. I honestly feel that each individual person has our own individual stories, and our stories are what make us. They're what make us unique, and they're what make us different than everybody else, but also bring us all together. And my story is one that's kind of complex. So I've always been an entrepreneur. I can remember from probably about the age of 10, buying things to flip and resell. As years went on, I did that and got better and better at it to a bigger degree, to where it became businesses. I've had lots of different business types, from selling things online on eBay and Amazon. 20 years ago, I actually had a retail store. I've sold lots of other things on like Shopify stores, where I've created my own Shopify stores. And I've sold in a lot of other different ways and a lot of other different means. I've also have a background in the service industry, where I formerly did IT stuff. That was something I did for a while because I loved it. But as time went on, I began to not be as excited about it as I was, and kind of got out of that. So I've started a lot of different businesses, and because of that, I have a lot of experience in a lot of different fields. Whether it's selling online, selling in brick and mortar, or service-based businesses, I have experience in a lot of different things. Subscription-based businesses. I've done a lot of things. And I think right now, in the way the economy is going with the coronavirus and this whole pandemic thing, there's a lot of people who don't know where that next paycheck is coming from. And I think I can honestly help people. I want to be able to help motivate people, maybe give some people ideas, maybe push them further along in their ideas that they're already in. Also, in my life, I've been directly affected with things like depression and anxiety, and I've even lost some people in my life due to suicide. That's something that's really hard to talk about, and it's something that I do want to talk about. It's something that I want to talk to everybody about, and I want to try to help people, because no matter how bad things may seem today, no matter how bad things seem like they are, there is always tomorrow. Things always do get better. Sometimes it takes a little bit more time, but you have to hang in there. And if you hang in there, there are better days ahead, I promise you. So I'm hoping with this YouTube channel, I can help inspire, motivate people. Maybe some people, just help them continue on. And if that sounds like something you're interested in, sounds like what you want to see, please follow me. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be 100% open, honest, and transparent with everything. These are not things that I'm writing on a script. I'm doing this all on the fly. And also, I want to mention, I'm not really a person that is social media at all. I'm trying to change that. This is hard for me. I'm very much an introvert, and I'm not somebody who really talks to people. So looking at this camera right now and talking to you guys is kind of weird. But this is something that I feel like right now I need to do. I need to be able to help people, and I need to be able to try to make a change in this world. This world is going in a crazy direction, and I think everybody can agree that we can do something to make this world better. All of us have our own unique story, and if we all shared our stories and talked to each other and communicated, I think we would all see that we're all a lot more alike than we think, regardless of race or sexual preference or any of that, regardless of religion. We're all a lot more alike than we think. We have a lot in common. And if we can all look to each other and help each other, we can make this world a better place. So that's what I'm trying to do with this channel. Hopefully you guys are on board. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Also, like this video. One last thing, don't forget to comment below in the comment section. What I'd like to ask from you is comment if you've already started a YouTube channel, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you're going to start a YouTube channel. Comment below with like what's holding you back from starting, or when you started, and what kind of content you're doing. I want to hear from you guys. I want to actually make this interactive where I'm actually going to, talk back to you guys and respond to your comments, because I think we can all work together and we can all help each other and benefit from this. So everybody, have a great day. Stay safe out there. And remember, let's get it.